now about the properties of aldehyde ketones, we have done nucleophilic addition reactions, we have done addition elimination reaction, then we have done reductions, and we have done oxidations. Now we are going to, today we are going to discuss about the properties of alpha hydrogen. Okay, these are the 5 key properties of alpha hydrogen. Of aliphatic aldehyde, reflection. Aldehydes and ketones. Properties of alpha hydrogen of aliphatic aldehydes and ketones. Okay. Alpha hydrogen of aliphatic aldehydes and ketones are acidic in nature. It's very strange. I'll explain you why. Okay. Then how do you find when the hydrogen is being attached to very strong electronegative element like halogens, like oxygen and nitrogen, they can be replaced. But it is here bonded to carbon only. Then why it should be acidic? So let us see now. See here. Okay, let me write here R. This is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, and this is aldehyde. Okay, this is R1 and this is R2. Yeah. If R2 is H, then it is aldehyde. And if R2 is alkyl or aryl, then it is ketone. See here, try to understand. This carbonyl group, this carbonyl is a strong electron withdrawing group. Strong electron withdrawing group. All right. So if it is a strong electron withdrawing group, what is going to happen? Then it is going to pull electron from this carbon. Okay. When it pulls electron from this carbon becomes highly electron deficient. So in order to compensate that loss of electron, this carbon is going to pull electron from both the hydrogen or even a single hydrogen also. So ultimately, who is get affected? These two hydrogen get affected. So in that case, electron deficient. So this bond has become highly polar. In such case, if you use a base, then the base will be able to remove this hydrogen. And what you are going to get, you will get here. So because of that, we call it acidic hydrogen. All right. So right from here up to this much, then I'm going to give the statement. Okay, right up to this much. Then I'll tell you, then you'll write it. Then after that, you'll write this one. Please write. Alpha hydrogen of aliphatic aldehydes and ketones are acidic in nature. This question is very popular with the book. ওই যে সাসপেন্ডটা রাখতে গিয়ে এটা লাগ গেল, তারপরে জল পড়লো, আপনি আজকে একটু দেরি গেলো, ফাইনাল গিয়া ফাইনালটা হইতে সময় লাগলো, রাখতে গিয়ে শেষ লেগে জল পড়ে গেল। Okay, right. Hello, right now. Right. The carbonyl group. Okay. When you write carbonyl group, after writing carbonyl group, within bracket you write this. The carbonyl group present in aldehydes and ketones are, not are, is strong electron withdrawing in nature.
So electron one?
Strong electron withdrawing in nature. All right. Full stop. Right. It pulls electron from the neighboring alpha carbon. Okay. Then within bracket you write. You should know this term. Minus I effect. What is minus I effect? Minus I inductive effect. It pulls electron from the neighboring alpha carbon, making it highly electron deficient. Stop. Right. The electron deficient alpha carbon in turn, INTUR, in turn, pulls electron from the alpha hydrogen atoms. And ultimately the alpha hydrogen atoms become highly electron deficient. Stop. Right. Consequently, alpha carbon hydrogen bond become polar. and weak. Alpha hydrogen bonds become polar and weak. Then, right. Using any base, these alpha hydrogen atoms can be, using any base, the alpha hydrogen atoms can be abstracted. Hence, these are called acidic hydrogen. Okay, now you write. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, now you write. Right. Reaction with bases. Reaction with bases. So now we are going for a very important reaction. We call it aldol. Aldol condensation. I think only army school have done this chapter, so they know it. Aldol condensation. Okay. So now we'll write. When aldehydes and ketones with alpha hydrogen atoms are treated with dilute solutions solution. Oh yeah, solution of alkalis. Okay, so within bracket we will write here sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, or barium hydroxide, etc. Undergo condensation to form corresponding beta hydroxy aldehydes within bracket aldol, or beta hydroxy ketones. We call it ketone. These undergo further dehydration to form corresponding alpha, beta unsaturated aldehydes and or ketones. Is right. This definition is also asked. Finish writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go and do the exam. Okay. See here. I have taken here acetaldehyde. See, it is having 3. This is alpha carbon. This is having 3 alpha hydrogen. Okay. And here I'll write the same thing like this so that it is easy for you to understand. This. And here I have taken dilute sodium hydroxide. See there. This carbon is going to join with this carbon. Valency of this carbon is 4. Valency of this carbon is also 4. So what is going to happen now in this case? This carbon oxygen double bond will break to become single bond, and this hydrogen will get transferred here. So what we are going to get? You will get here now CH3, C, O, H, H, C, H, H, C, O, H. See, this is alpha, this is alpha. Sorry, this is alpha. So this alpha carbon condenses with the carbonyl carbon. So you get this one. This is a condensation reaction. 2 molecules have joined with each other. Now, see here, this is alpha and this is beta. So you have a hydroxyl group on the beta carbon, new molecule. So because of that, this class of compounds are called beta hydroxy. This is an aldehyde group, beta hydroxy aldehyde. See, this compound contains aldehyde as well as alcoholic group. So because of that, we have taken ALD from aldehyde and OL from alcohol. So these are called aldol. What is the IUPAC name of this group? No problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the 3rd carbon, you have hydroxyl group, and you have 2 functional groups here, hydroxyl group and the aldehyde group. Preferentially, aldehyde will come first, the name will end with aldehyde, and this will be considered as a substitution. So it is 3 hydroxy 4 carbon. This is the secondary prefix. This is not cyclic, so primary prefix is nothing is there. Then how many carbons are there? What group? 4. Okay, but no carbon down. So butane 1 Al, or you can write butanol. All right. Now, if you go on hitting, if you hit this one, what will happen? See here, 1 molecule of water will go out. You will undergo dehydration. So you are going to get a double bond between alpha and beta carbon. So what you are going to get now here? You will get here this, and this plus H2O. So this is called alpha, beta unsaturated, means double bond, and functional group is aldehyde. What is the name of this one? What is the IUPAC name? No problem. On 2nd carbon, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is but2 in 1 pair. Or you can simply write but2 ena. And this one or you can write this one. The aldehyde is always the last carbon. So 3 hydroxy, so it's not like we always number from aldehyde carbon. So 3 hydroxy butane. So right. I don't have any scope to discuss the mechanism, so I am not discussing it because it may lead to little complication. You're a little scared of mechanism, so I am not doing it. Finish. So this
Yes,
one we
sir.
have done with aldehyde. Okay, now we'll do with ketone. We'll do with ketone. So here I have taken now acetone. And here we are going to change the alkali. We'll take here barium hydroxide. Okay. So what we are going to get, see here, this will condense with this carbon. So now this CH, instead of this H, you will have CH3. All right. And here you will have CH3. So what will be this? This will be beta hydroxy ketone. And what will be the name of this one? Ketone. Why do you call it ketone? Because it is a ketonic group and a hydroxy group. All right. Now, what will be the IUPAC name of this one? So you have to start counting from this side because this is the main functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now here 4 hydroxy pentan 2 O. So same thing happened. So what we are going to get here? We'll get here CH3 and this will be CH3. This is not at all difficult yet. I'll show you technique. So remember unsaturated ketone. And what is the name here? In this case, now 1 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 4 methyl pen 3En2ON. Yes. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll show you how to do it from here to here directly. I will not write in between the step. Huh? It's very easy. See here. The same thing I'll do now. I have taken here acetaldehyde. I'll write like this. This is acetaldehyde. Any aldehyde also you can do. Ultimately, we get a double bond, na? So we'll write this one like this. This is another molecule of acetaldehyde. And here we'll write dilute. Don't forget to write dilute, huh? Because if you use concentrated, na, it will polymerize. Heat. See, is it not we get a double bond? To get a double bond, you have to remove this oxygen and this two hydrogen. What we'll do now? See here, molecule of water goes. So I'll put double bond between this carbon and this carbon. Finish. Huh? Who told you organic chemistry is difficult? See here. Let that. See the product you got. Similarly, I'll do for acetone. So any aldehyde, any ketone having alpha hydrogen is going to show you this. So don't get scared. See. These are also acetaldehyde. This is acetone. This is also acetone. Only thing you please remember that when you use ketone, we use barium hydroxide. But in exam, suppose by mistake, if you write sodium hydroxide, nobody is going to deduct any mark. See here, good. So what will write now? See what is left out. This 2-methyl and carbon, I'll write here. 2-methyl and carbon. 2-methyl and carbon. Then I write this carbon here. Valence of carbon is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you write this H. Then you write this. See, the life has become so simple. Finish. So write it. I'm going so slow and I feel sleepy.
Done, sir.
Good. Okay, now I'm going to do a reaction which is for your entrance exam. Okay, it was earlier, long time back, it was there in your CBSE syllabus, and but now every syllabus is being made simple. But in entrance exam, so this type of question will come.
Okay, we call it mixed aldol. Mixed aldol. Mixed aldol. Okay, what is mixed aldol? The condensation between two different aldehydes, two different ketones, or between an aldehyde and a ketone in presence of a base is called mixed aldol condensation. Okay, huh? It is a condensation reaction between two different aldehydes, ketones, or an aldehyde and a ketone having alpha hydrogen atom. Okay? Alpha hydrogen atom. That is, suppose I have taken here acetaldehyde and I have taken here ketone, acetone. So it is acetaldehyde and this is acetone. Okay. So let us write it A and B. And I have treated this one with dilute sodium hydroxide. Can you suggest me how many products you are going to get? Please guess. Okay. Hello, Miss Aparajita. Are you there? Aparajita? Hello? Can you hear me? Aparajita is there? Okay. Moinak?
Yeah.
How many products you'll get from here? How many? No idea. See, we know this is having alpha hydrogen already a product I have written for you. So aldehyde individually undergoes aldol condensation. Acetone also undergoes the aldol condensation. Okay. So what happens now? How many products you are going to get? So I'm going to show you. See here. 1. It will be A plus A. So what you are going to get here? So I'll get down here CH3, CH, CH plus H2. This we already know. 2. B plus B. So you'll get here now. Good. This. This. You'll get now here C, PHC, PH, PH. So these two you know. All right? All right. Now, 3. See here. This is carbonyl group, this is alpha hydrogen. Then within them also it is going to react. So I'll write now here A plus B. That is CH3. When I write here, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Very nice. Dilute. So what is going to happen now? This will go. So you are going to get here CH3, CH. All right. Then HCO. Then 4. B plus A. Potom baru jadi sulit juga. So what you are going to get here now? See, all the products are different. Please don't think there is any repetition in here. See. So we have got 4 products. This is called mixed aldehyde. So same thing you will get if you do it between 2 different aldehydes having alpha hydrogen, 2 different ketones having alpha hydrogen, and this I have shown you between an between an aldehyde and a ketone. Please write.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Then that B plus B, sir, is H2O. So H2O is
Everywhere.
not there.
Where I did, oh, here, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, please. Thought, very good that. What is your name? Mm.
Sir, usually.
Very good, very good. Write down. But write little faster, huh? Otherwise it will take 1 month. এটাই হলো ফটাফট করবো আর বাকি রেখে
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
In that B plus B,
B
in
plus
the product side, yeah, yes, sir.
here B is between acetone and aldehyde, okay? So did I make any mistake? See here, this is B, okay? So this B I have written here, A I have written here. So in your entrance exam, if such a question comes and they will ask you how many products, they will not ask you to write the products. How many products are obtained? In that case, you will write 4. Acha, see, in reaction 2, I have made a mistake. It should not be H. Dear, please correct it. It is CH3. See, this CH3 is there. Please do the correction, okay? In reaction 2, B plus B, product will be, here you have written H, no, by mistake, so it will be CH3. Please do the correction. Sorry. Finish now. Hello?
Hello.
Okay. Now, see, now we are going to do the reaction of these aldehydes and ketones with aromatic aldehydes. Right. Reactions of aldehydes and ketones with alpha hydrogen. Reactions of aldehydes and ketones with alpha hydrogen. Don't write with, having alpha hydrogen. Reactions of aldehydes and ketones having alpha hydrogen with aromatic aldehyde. With aromatic aldehyde. Okay. In your book, this is given. So suppose you have taken here benzaldehyde. Aromatic, you have written aromatic aldehydes and ketones. Aromatic aldehydes and ketones. Say, I have taken here acetaldehyde and similarly I have taken here dilute sodium hydroxide. Here you are going to get only one product. It will be this. So you will get here you will get this. Sorry. You will get this. Now if you have done this one with one aromatic ketone, suppose you have taken this. You know this one? This is acetaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. This is acetophenone, dilute sodium hydroxide. In that case, what is going to happen? This will go and you will get here alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Okay, please remember this reaction is so like aldol condensation. In your book, they have not mentioned the name, but actually the name of the reaction is called Claisen-Schmidt or Claisen condensation. Claisen condensation. Finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll do one more, just for your entrance exam. One more. This is called nitromethane. Nitro group is a very strong electron withdrawing group. Among organic compounds, nitro is found to be very strong. So in that case also, this also will undergo Claisen-Schmidt condensation. And what you are going to get? You will get this. Okay? So now this is also substitution, this is also substitution. Now we have to follow alphabetical rule. So it is nitro and this is phenyl. Alphabetically, which will come first? Obviously, MnOP. So it will be 1 nitro, 2 phenyl ethene. Okay? And its common name is beta nitrostyrene. Forget, this is only for your intensity. It's called beta nitrostyrene. Finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going for another important reaction for examination point of view. This is without alpha hydrogen. We call it Kenny-Zaro reaction. Okay. When this is only for aldehyde. When aldehyde without, see here, without. Aldol is with and this is without. When aldehyde is without alpha hydrogen atom, are heated with concentrated, see here, in aldehyde dilute, but here we take concentrated. Concentrated solution of, so here we are going to write 50% by mass. This is the concentration of the solution of sodium hydroxide undergo disproportionation. What is disproportionation? I'll try to in bracket. That is undergo mutual oxidation and reduction to form corresponding alcohol. Because if you reduce, you get alcohol. And if you oxidize, you get carboxylic acid and sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, now we write one example. We go on writing. See, this formaldehyde. Forget about alpha hydrogen. It does not have alpha carbon also. So, two molecules are there. And we have added here sodium hydroxide 50%. So one of the molecule will be reduced to alcohol. So formaldehyde will give you methanol, and another will be oxidized to carboxylic acid, and you will get here sodium chloride. Write down. Then I will explain how does it happen. Without adding oxidation reducing agent, we have got reduced and oxidized product. The mechanism, how does it happen? Then only you'll understand. This is going to come for emboss. I'm telling you, 100% is going to come next year. Take care. See, here I have taken formaldehyde. See, this carbon is highly electron deficient. You have del plus and with del minus. And you have taken here sodium hydroxide. Hydroxide is a strong nucleophile. What is going to happen now? You will attack. So what you are going to get? You will get here O H H. Okay, and this is Na plus. So I had been telling you that any carbon which contains two hydroxyl group, then is highly unstable. See here, if I put one hydrogen OH here, so this is not stable. So what is going to happen in that case? Just to attain stability, we do also so many things. Suppose you are going somewhere, a road is slippery, then you felt that you are going to fall. In that case, even if a stranger passes by our side, we don't mind to hold their hand. Same thing happens with the molecule also. It will try all techniques to make it stable. See what is going to happen now? In that case, just to attain stability, this is going to shift this hydrogen. See, hydrogen, we have seen many reactions where hydrogen goes out as H plus. Here it will not go like this. Because the moment it comes, the valence of carbon becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So this hydrogen will go with the bond. Bond means what? One electron is there of carbon, other electron is there of hydrogen. So it will go with both the electron. Means what? It will go out as H minus. Why minus? Because it's taken the electron of carbon also. That is H minus is nothing but what? Hydride. So there will be a hydride shift. And we know hydrides are strong reducing agent. Moment it goes, then it will be like this. So what you are going to get, see, you will get now H C double bond OH plus what? It had originally 2 hydrogen, 1 more hydrogen has come, and you have got this one. So this is an acid and this is a base. When acid and base are there in the solution, what is going to happen? They will exchange proton within themselves. I'll write now here. CH3, O minus, and Na plus. See, this H will come here and Na will go here. Because salt of carboxylic acids are highly stable. You'll get this and you'll get this. So this is the whole mechanism. This is not at all difficult. You'll get this. Mechanism is not in your syllabus. But I don't want that my students should buy heart. Don't put your heart in chemistry. Put your heart in some other object. It might help you. Hello? Finish writing? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll do 2-3 examples more. So because we cannot study it separately for the entrance and this one. Okay. So now we'll take some more aldehydes which does not have any alpha hydrogen. See here. Look at this. Look. This is benzaldehyde. Okay, I'll write like this. See, this carbon is alpha carbon. This one is alpha carbon. Does it have any hydrogen? Huh? See here, what is the balance of carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Does it have any hydrogen? No. So all aromatic aldehydes are aldehydes without alpha hydrogen. So all of them they show Kenisarian reaction. So you first write this statement. All aromatic aldehydes are aldehydes without alpha hydrogen and show Kenisaro reaction. Okay? This is often given in your exam also. So I don't have to write anything. You know it very well. One will be reduced to alcohol and other will be reduced to what? Carboxylic acid. Aldehyde gives us primary alcohol. So I'll write for this one. See, primary alcohol functional group is what? CH2H, finish. And other will be converted into what? Carboxylic acid. And I have to write this sodium salt. हाँ, इससे इतना इजी और कुछ हो सकता है? ठीक है, you'll get this. Finish. The life becomes so simple. Name. Okay, you in exam you don't have to write the name. It will give you benzyl alcohol, and this is sodium benzoate. LADAP. You will get sodium benzoate. So this is for board. Okay, now you are getting little mature. So I'll give you two examples for your entrance exam. Then today I'll close after that. I thought that today I'll be able to finish the chapter, but I cannot, because it takes little time for you to understand and more time for you to write. But anyway, if you don't understand, then my whole purpose of teaching becomes useless. You'll get this. The moment you finish, you tell.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, what did you find here? For Kenisarian reaction, you require two aldehyde units without alpha hydrogen. So it has come from two different molecules. It may happen it is present in the same molecule. See here. If I have taken this, see, both the aldehyde groups are not having any alpha hydrogen. This does not have alpha hydrogen. This also no alpha hydrogen is there. Okay. So now what is the name of this one? Okay, you did not get scared. We call it phenaldehyde. This also you will not able to remember. Okay. What is the IPC name? Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. This you know because this is a rule. Okay. Now I will treat it with sodium hydroxide, concentrated sodium hydroxide solution, 50%. All right. See, one will be reduced to alcohol, other will be oxidized to carboxylic acid. So easy. Huh? See, try like this. All of you will get in engineering and medical, because this is the only two professions in Shillong we know. Okay, finish. You'll get this one. This is for your entrance exam. Then I'll do one more. See here, no alpha hydrogen because it doesn't have alpha carbon at all. This compound is called glyoxal. Okay, glyoxal. So I'll write here 2. Oh, sorry, not 2. Sodium hydroxide. Huh? So one will be converted to alcohol. Other will be converted to what? Carboxylic acid. हो गया. Okay. Tomorrow, please remind me. I'll do again for the entrance one called cross conniver. Cross conniver because some of you are having classes from 9 o'clock. Okay. So anyway, though it is raining, but I should say good day. Okay. Finish writing.
Sir.
Like
Thank you,
that.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. And this Aldehyde ketones 2 videos already Somnath has posted, so you can go there. Summary and everything I have given you, and I told you that I'll be. I have started writing the question answers, and first 5 chapters question answer I have sent